So hi guys, welcome back again to my video, and this is 1 a.m. in the morning, yes, at the Cravis Fun Mart, and located siya doon jud kaayo here at Horizon 101. Ayan. This is more on Korean products, noodles, and ice cream, juice, and more. So pili-pili ta atong lutuon, and I choose this one. Wow, kasabot, pero sige, kanina lang. So you have to pay it first. Ayan. By the way guys, ikaw mo luto diri og mong noodles ha. So kung dili ka kabao mo luto og noodles, ay na lang jud tare-tare. Joke lang. So daghan sila og mga juices. So kani siya guys, tagaan mo bason anino with ice. So, I choose this one kay puro na lang tang mango, and this area is mga toppings nimo while mag-cooking ka sa imong noodles. No, na sila yung mga pork balls, boiled egg, king cheese, and mushroom, ayan, beef, and daghan pa kaayo. Alright, mga cheese. So, muna siya guys. So, it's time to cooking na. Ayan, make sure guys nga mabasa jud nimo kung noodles ba or pansit canton ang imong napili, kay basin ang pansit canton mahimo nag noodles. Ayan, cooking time. Ayan. So mo siya kang nagduwa diha. Ayan. So preparing na tayo dyan. Kasi bali ni siya guys, no, may napili sa akong mga anak, and by the way, don't mind sa akong gisulog, okay, it's time to sleep na jud na, nangatog ng uban pero nangaon pa jud. Alright, so it's time to eat na. Ayan, mga anak na ako nga piling kay bawa jud mo chopstick. Alright, so yun lang guys. So visit here at Fun Mart here or near at Horizon 101.